Ilia emenene concerts ibigeni corporate events amoro kereria ibiegwa na version shows imisengurikana nebinde ibinge twakire isimi ase inamba 0700-301-301 gose 0722-347-371 301 Events, your one-stop shop for all events and equipment.
Wairire uya mwancho murigire karibu sana na inde asense moyo kionga tinsa ikomi chabo na muragoba litukeriga ya ijuma karibu tunyareko ya sanga liagendete ukorekana kura ase vinyoro ime na kuvwa muno kura ase serikali enene litari ane Matilda Obaigwa anere nyabuke ven ukoretera iga asinchira yebe manyererio na nekero togochaka igoro yenkwana igoro yogo chamo kumugusi aiga niga ukwano negatia barai kura iga sorugungoro gusi abarai abakoro unabono umuske Chris Obure umuske Charles Nyachae na boigo muske Professor Sam Ongeri na nigo bako yakona kura ase chinsemo cha utawala asenka yaye museneta bwe county ya Kisii muske Richard Momoima Onyonka chingaki bare koira amagomba abo nechinga kecho nigo batebire nerebuya gisakukyo mugusi ko mukerera igoro ase amatukaiga ikikirire yayiga nekero bagotabuna nerebuya ko musira Dr. Fred Matiang'i seganga yaye yukoligia obrai wense.
My brother Mheshimiwa Dr. Fred Matiang'i, I want to thank you very much. Among many other things, what I want to thank you, my brother, is because I am aware of it, the efforts you have made and you continue to make to ensure that you, as the leader of the community now, that in our community, irrespective of political views that people have, that we maintain peace, we maintain decorum, and we maintain what amaskani. You know, sometimes I look and I ask myself, what is it that is causing the kind of disharmony, antagonism, violence that we see, hate that we see in our two counties?
Nataka kusema ya kwamba sisi kama sasa wazee wa Kisii, huyu kijana ambaye sasa tunaita the sixth ni kijana wetu, ni mtu ambao tumemfahamu kwa muda mrefu, ni mtu ambaye tumemuelewa, na huko nyumbani tumembariki and we had offered him to the country. Tunajua ataweza. Kwa muda mfupi tulifanya na yeye kazi kwa serikali na alikuwa kiongozi wetu katika hiyo cabinet. And I must say that from what I have known about him, kazi anaelewa.
Abagusiaba magara no nyuwete bono igwa bono tiri mangana mogo chokora cheche no santo kurigia naba mona baba into mure bunge mure senate. I'm proud of you because you have stood the pressure You have stood the persuasions coming from other quarters. You have left it for the sake of one thing: unity of purpose and achieving what Kenyans want to achieve: total liberation and peace.
Na abaibori beskuru ya Moi Kisii Primary yogotoka ime ye wodi ya Ichuni bunge ya Nyaribari Masavu kaunti ya Kisii nikubona baboka bari no bororo butindi na boigo gukora okurobekana gwikira kwiyesieka eskuru eyo na abaibori abo nigobono banyare kwemurunganiria umwarimu munene weskuru eyo ase batebire buna nigo enibo yeskuru eyo yabereke gutumekwa asinjira etali eyo bwasyoku na asense moyende nigo batebire buna nonye babire bagutwara kwemurungania asia matuka mangi tibanya korangerirwa gusembanya gukora musangire kanonde bwensi gusange birengere byabo naboigo no boteneneri weskuru eyo.
The letter claims that the BOM were leadership executive. That is one of the points which has been raised. And number two, abana mbaliko nyara enough lunch. Number three, workers have not been paid for some months. School tebo atistima singenjo biri njana wakanwa uyonga pesa nchiyo chiwakana blackout. There is blackout in the school.
School ya ito Moi Kisii tuabeire tokoroba kwa mubongi sana kogenderera na bana baitu mbari gosoma na mocho egentege tangani tukaleta ruo mwalimu omogenia teacher agacha akaira chibesa chi school agakombi pi watemire turangirwe meeting ya school na baibori kana kurangi one tokolikeru chi balance ochimaega ya 2017 jire igoro chito tabwate kurmaega twaganyire turangeri guna baibori ne committee bangire goturangi bona mangana ya nyabeke buya no gambanya igubuya arati igwe county mubwate kabisa skuru e Moi nkogwere motokonye
General Batingo kwa Mishira senior chief Nyakumba sub location where the school is located. Esengencho muna compliment ajire tu ajide ya sometime school kwa Nyasiguru. Number 2 tuwaja tukatera biburi tokaenda ngora torosie school. Alike personally na chief tukafungua hiyo mlango. Number 3, since that time tumekuwa na issues. Mwalimu aliletwa ni kweli, but we have not shown any interest to come and see what he is doing on the ground. Kwa sababu huyo ni mtu ameajiriwa na serikali. Nisenge njibano mwa demand meeting ebe because nimeona hii makaratasi. This is one of the documents that I've gotten. Hiyo makaratasi iko malalamiko hapo. Inuna baibori emo wanja tokole una turajibu kwa na tuanjira nabo. Lakini kwa sababu mmeleta malalamiko, hii malalamiko inatuma saa hii iende kwa ofisi yetu kuu, then they will advise. Hii ndegende ya tatu. Abana baruware mwanja baibori ngini. Abana baruware because they want to yajire office. Na mwade anto urushie keburi.
Utigana nayo na sensemo yubolimi buna enchiremo yokurwania oboibi bwechikilo ase chitundubali nigobono abalemi bekemerigi chae kuro ase tundubali ya Riosumo obago pimire chae yabo ase factory ya Kebirigo ewodi ya Bonyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira ono banyari kwegorera eratiri yabo na sebatebire buna mbachie kwenekia eratiri yo yanyare kolengwa neri ya KTDA elikomanya naki chae yabo yabereke gopimwa naboigo kwenekia na obwasio kubwabere boko baroro na sebatebire na tibari gochigwancha kugendera kuibirwa chae yabo samatuko arebosio
aleta eratiri yaito etwanyara tirasengencho abagina moroche nabo babucheta abagakambake bono ntuma tinga abagine togocha twachaji egekogera nabo mongina ingatete chae kurumugondo akoreta agaiga kera ikire gaiga omana korwa roko na komanyara buno muraya ko na kwimurungani naki ka kire robo nonye tange pichikiro chinga naiga ya giori akona goncha unjura na list inki bono giakuri ya ye chae ya buna bobe na ende gakimari nkoyo ndegari na ale gotora bono kwa mana ko ekonda ale gotora eya torete igoro eya renge enke dokorero ga na igatira mono na kibona ko ngecha ense chikiro chinsini niga gokwa mana konyo to mana konyo buna barainga okwe murunga ninkurororo kurwa sai abalimi baito na kigeko gera twaretete iratirie
chairman ya KB68 yo sumo tea bank center iranda kebirigo tea factory bono emyake mege twatorire chaeye ama tukamande sana etona batawachikara nechi nyibi lakini tusiko babwata bono tukamua muna KB68 torete scale ye twaretire rera tokoro chitu kuria rero egere tu akikishirenga iratirie company ye factory ekera Johnson ligo chigorwa KPS Kenya Bureau of Standard na andi java weights and measures Johnson chigiye kaine egere tu atusungeri gere yabali ko 10 ne yabali miebe 10 basi tumaba te omuri mutani sungera tirie ito ekwe 10 ne tawande yabe go 10 basi tunakuwa mwanga wane iratirie company ikosagwa chabwatanire neye Spirit service coordinator na bwate chimina chetu rwaja KB68 na today na netu aba permit ya yeratiri twarusia se weights and measures omo unity na bwate ekobieyo emina chetu rwari yeye inga twaja kilomoroberio bwoko waneratiri aso ogo twekene ratiri ya kuruya se company ya kibiri na itu to sawa muna directors baito bakorere ringa nerie campaign muna bakorete campaign ya moscha egere kere tubali tware ratiri
na sense moyende abalemi abale abatugi bechombe chamabere nigobona panyare kwegwa obosemi abona barachie koba bakogendera n'obolemi bwabo obo bokoreta amatunda aba abwatani bagukwana kurwa ase tinsemo cha Narok West kurwa ase tinsemo cha Transmara West ime county ya Narok nigobona banyare kubora na omechando emenge yabirege kureto n'ugonjorera kwelire na bekonyara kuguswanirwa ekiro abalemi bairwe obosemi obwenerete.
Dairy farmer has, has four needs, four critical needs. One is cash flow. So we are here to ensure that the farmer gets more milk, more money in the pocket when they sell their milk. Number two is that we will be launching Maziwani school fees, so that instead of parents selling animals to take their children to school, they can leverage on private sector and milk to educate their children. Thirdly, we are going to launch e-mobility, so that the evacuation of milk from the farm gate to the cooperative, as you've seen here, will be done through electric motorbikes. And lastly, we are launching vaccination to protect the gains that the farmers have in terms of their animals. So ECF vaccination is one of the things that we are launching today.
Education that the farmers are going to get here is very good, and we normally have challenges of ECF, and now that the vaccination is going to kick off, I think they will be improved, and the farmers here are going to benefit to ensure that their children go to school, and also we hope finally that we'll have a milk processing plant here, because we have enough land, there's enough space.
Kulima by that time hatukukuwa na mahali tunaweza uza maziwa yetu, na quality pia ya ng'ombe zetu zilikuwa ni ile ya kienyeji kabisa, but wakati hii mradi ilikuja through NCDA, kaona kwamba kulikuwa na maziwa ikaongezeka, na hata wakulima wetu wakaanza
utigana nayo asinsemo ya siasa nigobono mugavana wa county ya Trans Nzoia Muske Georgina Tembea anyari kwenekeria abakenya buna nigo ensemo yo kwamereria serikali na kurwa ebirengo byonsi anamuno elie kweroka buna alternative government na boigo eye kweroka Linda Mwananchi kura wanomo senator Edwin Sifuna bonse barachio kura okubwaterana elikweneke buna banyare kurusia uburai bwa mutukaya iga abisi na nigo atebrimna mbaligo chigotwara tofauti chinde chonsi ekirenga babwate nigo kerekemu.
Hakuna mirengo miwili kwa upande ya upinzani. Mnajua Linda Mwananchi na Linda Inji, hiyo ni vitengo viwili ni chama cha ODM. Mrengo mmoja uko kwa broad based government. Wala ambao wana resist kuingia kwa broad based government ndio wako nje wanacheza Linda Mwananchi. Wakati siasa ya ODM itakuwa imemalizika, unajua tu hawa tayari wako pande maana wataka kwenda kwa broad based. Kama uko broad based uko kwa united opposition. Maana kuna mirengo ngapi? Miwili peke yake. So in the fullness of time wakati vita imekamilika, then sisi na wenzetu wala ambao wanalinda Mwananchi tutakaa chini, tutacraft line up ambayo ni nzuri. Na sisi tumesema Kila mtu asingangane kuwa captain, kuwa kiongozi, kuwa flag bearer. Hapana, tuangalie Wakenya wanataka nini. Wakenya wanataka ni for the first time ikuwe ni interest ya Mkenya. Sio interest anatembea ama ya Rigiji ama ya Matiang'i ama ya Kalonzo ama ya nani. Interest ya mwananchi. Tukikubaliana namna hiyo hata mambo ya vita kwa maana lugha ya mwananchi na lugha United Opposition ndio same. Kwa sababu tunataka kuomba Kenya kutoka kwa hiyo utawala ya broad base. So kutakuwa na mambo mingi. Nao vile umeona hawa tayari tunatembea barabara moja, maana natembea huko mimi niko kwa upande wa United Opposition 100%. Na hawa tunatembea nao kwa United Opposition. Lakini next year August tutakuwa kwa upande wa upinzani, tutakuwa tumebadilisha. Wale wengine watakuwa kwa upinzani, tutakuwa ndani ya serikali.
Na umwancho muligiria matuka make magiga yumurai wiki kia ODM Muske Oburu Odinga gutarorekana asemisangirikano gete yengencho yekiamekyo nigobono ekiamekyo kyanyare kwene kibuna umuseneta Oburu Buyale na nigo agendrete gukoria abuya kigima wakona gwetera ase oyotenereta magana yoboererania ase ekiama ekyogia ODM manyikanete buna Philip Etale nigo batebire umuseneta Oburu Buyale nande na agendere na siasa yabo anamono yekiama ya ODM hasamatuko alebosio.
I want to assure you, the party leader is very okay, is fine. And you know, when people start questioning about the whereabouts of somebody, that tells you how important that person is, isn't it? So we take pride in that. We are very happy that our party leader continues to attract news. He's becoming one source of news that everyone wants to look up to, and we want to assure you that he is very okay. And tomorrow we'll be seeing him somewhere in the alma mater of his late father, speaking and roaring.
Biabono kigimu mwancho muligirire kyagere ugenderete kubo mwegeno ime ya Getembe TV na boigo gendera gusanga na intwe ase mirobelio iraso asembio ase ebiro bire bosio nchengoro kwa Matilda oboigo twara weekendingi na boigo twara emaragoba eri entoerero nyabo Kevin korwa ase bimanyerero nere igawote watwara emaragoba engia chibichana malioge chikoletwa nere Kevin Ongeli gendera utubwatia ase mitandao yetu ya Facebook Getembe TV chinsemo cha YouTube na boigo ase umutandao o TikTok.
Yebuna mwenye chega ne machine tokoroka E5 ne machine ngia sana akero bwate problem ya magoro me pia magoro abimbete no gocha kwabekera magoro aoga kera magoro kubete bintu korunse magoro gusangita bwate inguru wasore gutwara umuchando bwa magoro machine na bokorarira ega asene kabisa gokora no kuirania amagoro aitare tware chinguru okobimba kori kware ngo korworo kisindani giri cyare okobeta chiruwaroro nakobwa mone machine enengi yere asabantu bari bwate mechando ya nervous system gose nervous system disorder ekyagere kero bwato mochando buna bono kotnyegari kwa makoko nabantu bari bakonyegari wa makoko ega makoko atabwati chinguru makoko abwata magandi ebinabyo okobwata kwa bwata ega erinde yagokonya kunusemekia ekeremekia ebwate mechando gokonyegari wa makoko tabwati chinguru nakobwa mono ekero wati wa samakoko ne kinde nkira chingi ya